Sour Patch to Acid Tongue. Are you opposed to having fun? You clench the world between your buns. You could do better, you could do better. You could be the greatest man in the world. You could do better, you could do better. You could be the greatest man in the world. Your life is always the post of something else. Where's the present in the way that you present yourself? And it's disgusting how little that you try. The existential equivalence of pink. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones. Enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age.
Slowly, I'm blending in so you won't even know me. Apart from this whole world that shares my fate. This one last bullet you mentioned, it's my one last shot of redemption. 'Cause I know to live you must give your life away. And I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. And that might be the death of me. And even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here.
It's okay to say you got a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated than love for what you're not. You're vulnerable, you're vulnerable. You are not a robot. You're lovable, so lovable, but you're just trouble. Guess what? I'm not a robot.
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song.
As the future at your fingers gently unfolds, and you behold career of your lifetime before your eyes, you qualify. But if you're failing and you need me,
you're getting better all the time, and turning all against one is an art that's hard to teach. Another clever word sets off an unsuspecting hurt, and as you step back in the line, a mob jumps to their feet. Now dance, fucker, dance, man, he never had a chance, and no one even knew it was really only you. And now you steal away, take him out today. Nice work you did, you're gonna go fuck it.
How it all began, if truth be told, had a master plan. Now I rule the world, took 'em by surprise, worked my way uphill, they looked into my eyes, I became invincible.